Step into the Audi 2012 Q5 2.0T Premium Plus. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Convenience Package, Premium Plus Package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, Audi Music Interface with iPod integration, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system and radio, Audi MMI Plus system with 6.5 color screen. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.